Hey, how you doing? It's Martin here and welcome to Page Designer. If you're watching this video, that means you're one of the lucky 100 charter members who we've opened up Page Designer for with a massive discount on our monthly or annual subscription rate. So what I'm going to do in this video is give you a full demonstration of our app, show you what it does, and then tell you how you can get your hands on this with that massive discount. So first of all, Page Designer is a completely cloud-based marketing page builder. You simply come along, log into our site, and you can build, manage, install, copy, embed, whatever you want, all your pages from your dashboard. This is the dashboard here. It's very simple to use, and we've got all your account features in the top. We've got all your existing pages here. You can edit them, you can download them, embed them, copy them to clone them, or delete them, and you can start a new one up here. You'll see some of the options on the left. We've got the this here is for editing page title, and then a very cool one. If you hover over the I function, it opens the page in a new window, so you can preview it. Then if you hover over the text, you can see a preview of what the page looks like. So that's all very cool. That's our dashboard. To give you a complete demo now, I'm going to click on Create New to create a new page, like so. And this takes us into the Page Designer Builder section itself. So you've got a lot of widgets here on the left. You've got all your various controls along the top, and then this is the canvas area where you do your designing. So you can change the size of this canvas by just dragging this this part up or down, whatever you want, and that'll increase the size for you. You can turn the grid on and off. That's just to help you with your layout. You can get your embed code here to embed it on WordPress or any other site you want, or the direct link. We have our settings section then, so you can control your title, your description, keywords, background color, content color, background graphic, border style, width, border color. You can turn an exit pop-up on and off, and you can add any header code you want for things like retargeting and stuff like that. Next up we have our save button, just for saving your design. Then we've got the clear button to clear all the widgets off the canvas. Then we have the preview button, and then the download button. You can actually download your files in a zip from Page Designer. It'll have your HTML and all your stuff you need to upload it to your own hosting and completely host your own page if that's what you want to do. So lots of cool functions along the top there, all fairly straightforward. The biggest one and the coolest part of the app, I think, is the templates function here. If I click this now, you get a warning saying loading a template will overwrite your current page. That's fine. We click OK for that, and here we have a list and a screenshot of all 80 templates that you get as one of the founding members. So we've got a template in here for pretty much everything you can think of, and we're going to be adding a lot more. And if you want to use a template, you simply hover over it. You can just click preview if you want to preview it first. You just click use template, and it loads the whole thing into your canvas. Everything here now is completely drag and drop and ready to be edited. Unlike some other page builders you might have seen, there isn't a framework where you can only drop elements into certain positions to comply with like responsive frameworks. We've got a workaround for that, so you can drag and drop the text and the images and things anywhere you want, and they will still appear correctly on mobile devices, which is a very cool feature. So let's say you want to move the text, you simply just drag it around. If you want to clone it, you click the clone icon. If you want to delete that, click the X. If you want to move it up or down in the layer stack to put it behind stuff, you click the plus or minus. Now let's say we've got this text here, or we'll go for this text here. To edit that, you simply right click, brings up the editor here, and then you would change your tagline here. You can use all these different options: font size, font family, color, bold, italic, underline, all the usual editor stuff. Or you can go straight into the HTML editor, so you can really get it detailed in what you add. You simply click update text, and it updates it there for you. Just to show you a few of the other features on the template here, we've got this one laid out with a feature box on the side. You notice this box on the side here. We've got it's a color box widget. You pick the color, you pick the opacity, and that's how you get this cool effect. So we've set it to 40% opacity and a grey color, so now it looks like a nice grey see-through thing. We've got the video section here. Again, very easy to edit. Just right click, add your YouTube video ID. We got the image widget down here. Again, you just right click. Everything's right click to edit, and you choose your image. I'm going to show you this in a new section actually, because we have a full image library of hundreds of images that you can use to build out the different designs you want. And then you see the rest of the page. Everything can just be changed around. Say you don't like the look of this, just move it around like so. It's that simple. If you want to delete something, just pick X, delete it, and you can change the layout, space it out like so. Move the button over here if you want to change things around a bit. So you can see, very, very simple and powerful. Everything is just literally drag and drop. Could not be simpler. You can also directly download the full file by clicking download now that you've saved it. So that's one of the templates. I'm just going to change the template now to show you how easy this is to completely change your design while you're working on it. Just click use template and it changes the entire thing for you. So again, everything here could easily be swapped around. It's all remarkably straightforward and simple. You're just going to need to do a bit of dragging around, a bit of messing until you get things changed where you want them. But this could not be simpler. If you tried to do this yourself with just HTML coding, whatever, this would be pretty much impossible to do. You'd need to just recode the whole thing. And there, in a few seconds, I've just changed the whole layout and style of this very, very simply. Completely changed it around there, no time live for you. And that works for everything. Everything can be moved around. So I'm going to go to a completely blank page now to show you how the widgets work on the left hand side here, and how easily you can build your own page. So we'll leave our grid on for the moment. Let's say you want to add some text. You simply left click, drag it across, release. Enter your text, then you pick a font size. So I'm going to choose something big. I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to pick this font. Just click insert. So there's your headline. Let's say you want to make it bigger. Just go back in, make it whatever size you want, and I'm going to make this one red. Click update, and just might need to resize the box. There it is. So there's a headline added. Let's say you want to add some graphics now. So you drag in the image widget. And the cool thing about this is you have several different options here. You can upload an image. So you just click browse, upload it from your computer. You can select from library, or you can define an image URL if it's an image that's somewhere else out there. So I'm going to show you the first and the third one are self-explanatory. So I'm going to show you the image library. If you choose that, this bit pops up with all our different categories. So we got add to cart buttons, arrows, backgrounds, badges, bullets, buy now buttons, check marks, download buttons, gadgets, icons, hand-drawn elements, highlights, order buttons, ribbons, round buttons, sales badges, and loads of other stuff, right? So let's say you want to add a background. You just click backgrounds, and you get all these cool thumbnails of the background. So I'm going to pick one of these wooden effects. So you select it and just click add image. That adds it in. So now you're going to want to put this behind your headline, so you just click minus here and plus here. So there it is now. So that could be the top of your page. There's the headline. Now red doesn't look so good, so we're going to change that to white. And again, you see how simple this is. Now we've got the cool torn effect there. We want to add some more images now to round this out a bit. So we're going to add from the library. This time we'll go for some arrows. So here are some basic arrows we've got in there. We've got loads more stuff as well. We'll be adding soon. Loads more graphics. So we're going to go for something else now. Let me see. We'll go for some hand-drawn elements this time. Yeah, these are more kind of traditional marketing arrows, so we'll go put in a few of those. That's quite big, so let's make it smaller. You can resize it like so. All very simple. And put the text up beside the thing there. So you get the idea. You can pretty much build anything. We can add videos, we can add buttons. So we're going to go for a button widget now. We'll draw it in. You pick your font. The button text, a link, so we leave that blank. We're going to make the button font be white. like so. I'm going to make the button be kind of a yellow color, or no, we'll go for a dark orange color, and just click create button. Now it's built a custom button for you to position anywhere you want, and you can resize it to make it as big or small as you want. So that could be a sign up button for a webinar, it could be a buy button, whatever you want to link it to. And obviously this page, I'm just making a random layout here, it's not a proper page, I just want to show you the features. Now this one is something that isn't in any other marketing page builder I've seen. It's our colored box. You drag it in, and what it lets you do is you pick a color. So we're just going to pick dark color here. Then you can make it opacity 1 means it's completely solid. If you make it, that means it's 50%, and we're going to make it have very rounded corners. Click insert color box. So this is kind of a highlight effect now that you could put around your text, over images, add bullets into it, whatever you want. You can even add circles if you notice that in the option. I'm going to add a white circle here now this time and make it sort of see through again. So you can actually add circle, you know, that would look like a graphic. So you could have a buy button in there, you could have a coupon code, whatever you want. The next widget, I'm going to move down a bit now. So I'm going to drag this graphic down so we can still see. Next one is the HTML widget. You drag it in. Basically you can add any HTML code you want there. So if you want to get more advanced, you can do it. Next one is the YouTube option. You just add your video code in here and insert it. So let me just go and grab one off YouTube. There, it's added the video now, so you can position that anywhere you want. You can resize it, make it bigger, smaller, all the usual stuff. You can edit it. You can change the image easily or change the video easily, so there's no problems there. The next one is the iframe. I'm going to drag this background down again. Next one is iframe. So this is to add another page inside your main page. So I'm just going to pick a random site. So you could put some kind of a feed in here. You could put a random website. You could be, you know, this could be anything you need really. I've just picked the BBC News website, and again the whole thing can be resized. Very, very powerful feature, and something that's really, really useful for integrating with other plugins and things like that. And in particular our opt-in designer, opt-in form integration, you can use it with the iframe or the HTML widget. Next thing is a link box. So let's say you had a big image that a part of it had an image design or link design. You just pick this link box, and it gives you a little red box. So once you position that over an area, when you have a live website then and someone clicks on this, it works as a link. Next thing is a PayPal button. So again, you just pick the button you want to use here, and we've got loads of different options in our library. Add or test stuff in here. So this would be perfectly suited for you to set up an actual live sales page with us in a few minutes. Then again, you position that wherever you want. Last one then is a scarcity timer. So this is a countdown timer. We're going to count it down to the 30th of June at whatever time. I'll just insert that in now, and that's how it appears. So it starts counting live. That's an overview of Page Designer in the template area, so you can see how easy it is to add all this stuff, how easy it is to edit it, and with all the different templates that we have available, it makes it really, really simple to get started in just a few minutes. Now once I save this and go back out to the dashboard, see now it's added it here, and if we hover over the title that I gave it, I think this one it was, you'll see the preview of the design there, and you can go in and edit that and view it and all the rest. So loads and loads of different cool features with Page Designer. And remember, this is just the start for this app. We're going to be adding a lot more images to the library, a lot more templates, and once you sign up either for the monthly or annual plan, you're going to be locked into a really, really powerful, really cool Page Designer tool that is way, way more affordable than any of the other ones out there, and with all the features you could possibly need. So we're making this available now to all you people who signed up on the 100 charter member list. So we have 100 for sale If you can see this video, that means there's still some available. You can just get it from the buttons below at a massive discount. Okay, it will not be sold at this low price ever again. This is just to get the initial early adopters in, to give you some extra value and to get you started as soon as possible with Page Designer. And you'll notice below the video as well, we also have some special exclusive bonuses to give all our early customers as a thank you for trusting in us and for getting on board with Page Designer. So sign up now, and I look forward to seeing you all in the members area. Thanks.